Some more lights by Summerwind Lawns. For an estimate, give us a call at 384-7323. What we have here is a front roof line in progress. Cedric's over there on the ladder. It's going to have a stake lights around the entire yard and the flower bed. Tree will have between 8 and 10 G12 minis. And all of the bushes across the front will have a total of about 50 G12 minis strands. Work in progress. Here's the finished product. It's now got 460 C9 commercial grade LEDs in red. I believe it is 21 red G12s and 41 cool white G12s on this house. We did this in the snow at about 5 degrees. Record low. Once again, for an estimate, give us a call, 405-384-7323. Thanks for watching.